project. Okay, now what's going on here, Karen?
You're gonna have to go up now. Whoa! I mean, I'm serious, Chad. You're right on the edge.
Well, say when.
Barely. Whoa! That's enough. I see what you're doing. You're filming me.
Okay, wait.
Cut it deep.
Wait. I'm cutting it. Say when. My beeper.
Okay.
That's it?
Yeah, because look, your truck's laying in the...
My
Your
beeper.
bumper's tore off now. Hey, that's as far as you can go. Whoa! You're digging the tailgate in. Stop. All you're doing is just trying to get me on there.
Okay. Okay, now I'm going to turn sharp. And do this again. Now, how did we end up out here? Where is it? Where are we at? Huh?
I'll tell you when to stop. Go on. You better be watching what you're doing. Come on. What? Come on. A little bit more. Whoa, whoa. You're going to fall off the edge. Now cut it deep and go back again.
Yeah, we're going to build a house right here.
I'm not laughing with you no more. Cut it deep and go on. Gonna go down in a ditch, is that okay?
I don't know.
Okay, cut it now this way. Probably get it this time.
Okay.
Now, go on, because I'm gonna walk down. I'm not riding in this truck with you.
Get in.
No, go on, because it's all bad. Go on.
Well, you go ahead. That way I'll see.
No, because you'll run over me. Go.
Well, tell us about how we're not going to probably buy this because it's too hard to get in and out.
No.